just melted like butter. Literally massive. This is the one with the puff. It's the Make It Mate. So this is what the puff looks like. Translucent loose setting powder. In the website that is finely milled. Is weightless. It blurs out imperfections. Minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, wrinkles without creasing or caking. This is what the packaging is looking like. It's a very nice packaging. I like the way it looks. I'll just turn to the front like so. This is just how the front looks. And the back. So this is what the back looks like. So this comes in 29 grams, 29G, and it retails for £32 here in the UK. This is what the inside looks like. It's got like a plastic film wrap on it, but it's got the dots where the powder can come out from. So I'll just open the film on the top here. This is what the powder is looking like. Really nice medium deep shade. It doesn't have a scent, so there's no scent to this. Puff that it comes with, I'll just open the puff. So this is what the puff is looking like. Feels really soft to touch. Wow, this is really soft to your hands through at the back. So you can just put your hands through and I'm gonna jump right into the application. I've already got my foundation on. I used the Makeup Revolution foundation. This is the XX Revolution foundation in the shade 13.7. I've got a review on this foundation, so check out that review. I'll put the link down below. But yeah, this is the foundation I've used today. We're going to jump right into application of the concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Chestnut. Got my concealer on. I'm gonna start blending because this concealer is really drying, so I'm gonna be using my Root Technique sponge. This is the concealer blended in. I'm gonna jump right into applying the powder. Puff is very soft, but I don't think it's designed for under the eyes. I feel maybe it's designed for the side of the face like so. Wow, the color is really nice as well. And it feels really light on the skin. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty sponge, because I think I need to blend under the eyes better with the beauty blender, with the Root Techniques mini sponge. Yeah, this looks more blended. So the puff is really soft. I really like the feel of the puff, but really nice. I like it's really smooth as well. I think this would be great for all over my face, like literally. It definitely mattifies the face. The puff is so soft, guys, like literally. This is what the powder is looking like. You know, just an application. It's finely milled, doesn't feel cakey or heavy, feels really lightweight on the skin. It's a good oil control. I've got combination to oily skin, and I'm loving this new shade. So this, I don't think it highlights my eyes as much as I would like it to, but I've got the other one, the translucent one, to highlight. So on application, it literally just melted into the skin, so it's really soft and lovely. And this puff, it's so soft, I just love it. It feels really nice. So I would use this like all over to set all over my face, because it's lovely. Just feels really soft on the skin. I just like the way it melted into the skin. It's just so lovely. So far I'm loving this, so I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and I'm gonna come back to let you know my final thoughts on this. Okay, so finished up the rest of my makeup and this is what it's looking like. Really smooth, really nice, as in it's just lovely on the skin, guys. I just really love this. It's really close to, it's really my kind of my skin tone, so it's more of an all over powder. Really nice. I love the finish. It claims to be, it says it's finely milled. I would say yes, it is finely milled. It says it's weightless. I agree with that because it's really light on the skin. It's lightweight, it's weightless. It just feels really nice. It doesn't feel cakey or heavy. It's really light. I don't feel like I've got anything on. Like this powder, I literally can use it every day. Like literally foundation, put this all over the face and I'm good to go. It's really translucent because it just melted like butter. Literally my skin is like healthy and it's looking very, I like the look of it. This is my new everyday all over powder. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I love the feel. I love the way it melted into my skin. I love the fact that it's light, it's lightweight, it's finely milled. It's literally just so finely milled, it melted in. Really got nothing bad to say about this, apart from the price that is £32, which is a bit of a, but you get 29G, so yeah, it is a quality product. I really love it. I love the feel. I love my skin. This is what my skin is looking like. So it gives a nice matte finish, it's good oil control, and it's not too drying. So this product is a thumbs up from me. I really love it. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. So that's it for my review, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.